Good morning everyone. Last classes we completed the chapter number 1. So today we are going to start chapter number 2, the plant fairy. So this one first we read the story. The beautiful story what says start. The last Sunday we went to a garden in a neighborhood. We play hide and seek, chupa chupi and antakshari. We had a lot of fun. After some time, Didi said, "Let us play a new game today. I will become a plant fairy. The plant fairy will call out a name of something and you all will have to touch it." The game began, Didi said. The plant fairy asks you to touch a plant. At once, all the children ran towards the plants. To see here, Ammu held the marigold plant, and then Subnam sat touching a jasmine plant. Michael touched a mehendi bush, and Daryam catch hold of the neem tree and stood there. Then Didi said, "Very good. Everyone has touched a plant. But have you noticed that all plants are different from each other?" "Didi, you are also sitting on little plants," said Subna. "Can you name the plant on which Didi was sitting?" The game started again. The plant fairy now said, "Touch a tree which has either a thick or a thin trunk." The children ran again to touch the trees with thick or thin trunks. Have you seen a tree with a trunk as thick as one shown in this picture? So Michael found a game very interesting. He thought how lucky the fairy was. She could order everyone around. "Now I want to be the plant fairy," said Michael. The children laughed aloud. A boy fairy? They were now ready to take orders from the new plant fairy. Michael said, "Get me some leaves quickly. But remember, you are not to pluck the leaves from the planets," said Didi. The children ran to collect the leaves which were lying on the ground. So now you write the names of leaves which you have seen. Do you see this type very 4 leaves here named right? So now Daryam said, "I did not know that there were so many types of leaves. Look, some are round, some are long, and some are triangle." Ammu said, "There are so many different colors as well. Some are light green, some are dark green, and some are even yellow, red, and purple. There is no one which is green but has white patches on it. Look, even the margins of these leaves are different from each other. Some have straight margins and some have uneven. Some of these margins even look like a saw," said Sabnam. Ammu and Sabnam stood together. "We also want to be the plant fairy," Didi said. "Now today may be the next Sunday. It is time to home now." And on the way back, Didi recited a poem of every one. So now here gives that list this poem. That red, purple and even yellow, some green, sweet and lost. Leaves are of different kinds and of different shapes and shades. Some are like the elephant ears and some are playful like the devil. Some are torn and some are folded and some even eaten like in bed. And at the early dawn's darkest hue, you will find the flowers cry tears like dew. Some are like butterflies, some like bees, some are hairy and some plain. Some dairy up to look turns and some even resemble scrape. Those whose circles and flutter in the breeze, they all do mutter. All day long they smile and play, and in the night they sleep away. Leaves are different kinds and two different shapes of hues. Vijendra Pal Surya, this poet writing. So now Yes, a collection few leaves of plant like lemon, mango, neem, basil, tulsi, mint and coriander dhania. So this one we just see which type which leaves you know and which one you not. Then here make pictures from this leaf. So this one you here see. So this one which type? Elephant type. This one rat. This one which type? The birds. Then here say how to take impressions. To take a paper and a crayon or color pencil, this step and place the leaf on the table or on the ground. It should be placed in such a way that the side of the leaf with vanish is on the top. Place a paper on the leaf. This step paper another leaf and gently rub the crayon of color pencil on the paper. Be careful the paper or the leaf does not move. Then here what says, similarly take impression of the trunk of a tree. This time. Then place a paper on the trunk and rub a crayon on a colored pencil on it. This type doing. Here picture which type girls are doing. Look, you have made impression of a tree bark. Look at the impressions made by the others. Are the impressions of different planets similar? Which leaf have a good impression and which trees are impression was different to them and why? Then here what say, look and write. Look at the picture and name the things which have pattern of leaves and flowers on them. So here this one see pictures and which one? Here flowers, otherwise leaves, here hairs and hairs. So this one here writing the names of which you see. Then here what say that think and write. First, look for objects which have pattern of leaves and flowers on them in your house and write their name. So first you see in your house which patterns have and flowers and here name write. Now second, you must have seen many plants and tree. Write their name. So which one you see plant and tree? So here write their names. So this one do in your homework. Third, are there any planets that you have heard of but never seen? They write their name. So which one very hard of the planets you only listen, never seen? So this one here, pen write. This one 1, 2 and 3 write in your textbook and this one write in your homework. Okay. So now we start the workbook. So now we are going to start the workbook, the plant fairy. So question number 1, choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write the index number in the provide against each again. The first, say 1, which game did the children play in the garden? A. Ampli Pipli, B. Hide and seek, Antakshari, C. Catch or D. Dog bell. To which one? To B. Hide and seek and Antakshari. To your answer right B. Same table 2, which plant did the girls touch according to the instruction of the plant fairy? A. Marigold and jasmine, B. Mehndi and neem, C. Mehndi and grass and D. Mango and neem. The answer which come? A. Marigold and jasmine. Here right answer A. Question number 3. Where was Didi sitting in the garden? A. On a bench, B. On a flower, C. On the grass or D. On a tree. So where Didi sitting? Answer C. On a grass. The answer here right C. Now question number 4. Which of the following trees has the thickest trunk? A. Neem, B. Mango, C. Asuka, D. Banana. Banyan. To answer which? D. Answer banana. Now 5. Which of the following plants is not seen in a garden? A. Rose, B. Wait, B. Periwinkle, D. Mehndi. Which one? To B. Let me answer here right B. Now question number 6. The twigs of which tree do we use as teeth cleaners? A. Mango twigs, B. Banana twigs, B. Acacia bubble twigs, D. Asoka twigs. Answer which come? C. To your right answer C. Question number 7. The leaves of which trees are used to make decorative garlands, that means torans? A. Neem leaves, B. Banana leaves, C. Asoka leaves, D. Banana leaves. Which one? C. Asoka leaves. Now 8. Which plant is useful as medicine? A. Basil, tulsi, B. Bougainvillea, C. Marigold and D. Curry. Which one? Answer A. Basil, tulsi. Now question number 2 what say? Fill in the blanks in each sentence with the appropriate words. A. The impression of the things with a dash surface is easy to obtain. To answer what come rough, R-O-U-G-H. 2. Design of the flower leaves is seen more on dash separates on the beds, to bed sheets. 3. On tree those leaves are small, thin and have so like its is the dash. To answer neem, N-E-E-M. Now question number 4. When leaves of dash are added to tea, they give good flavors. To answer what? Mean M-I-N-T. Question number 5. Plants like basil, periwinkles and brinjal are known as dash. Answer bushes, B-U-S-H-E-S. 6. Plants like banyan, neem, mango and acai are known as dash. Then answer what come? Trees, T-R-E-E-S. Question number 7. The color of dash of a plant is green. So, leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Now question number 3. Put a right mark in front of the statement that are true and wrong is the front of those are false. First, the children played Ambli Pipli in the garden. So, no, that means wrong. Question number 2. The garden is which is children play the game of the plant fairy had plants like neem, mehndi and jasmine. So, yes, that means here right. Third, the trunk of the rose plant is thin. So, no, that means here wrong. The leaves to a pipal tree are small, thin and have so the like its. So, no, that means here wrong. Question number 5. The impression of the smooth and soft trunk is easy to take. So, wrong, that means here cross. 6. The shape, color and edge of very leaves is different. So, yes, that means here right. Then here 7. The leaves of the neem are bitter to taste. So here right doing. Now question number 4. Match the columns appropriately. The first column here 4 leaves drawing. Then B here answer right. And column B here A, B, C, D name right. 4. And which answer here right. The first one, this one which? Pipal. So here pipal where right? C. To here right C pipal. Second leaf this one which? Neem. To neem where answer? Here E. To here this one E neem. To here right neem. Then here third one banyan leaves this one. To here right answer banyan A. To here right A banyan. Now this one question number 4. This one leaves which? Asoka. To here right D Asoka. Now question number 5 what say? Look at the picture. Write the name of things which one can see this picture on this given boxes. So here see this one picture give. And here which one see first what see photo frame? Where? Here. So here first write photo frame. Then what say curtain? So here write curtain. Then blusters. So here write blusters. Then girls reading a book. Here girls reading a book. So here write. Then bed sheet. So this one bed sheet we see. So here write bed sheet. And then carpenter. Here carpenter. So now question number 6. What say? Write the name of things that have pattern or leaves and flowers. To where? To here see carpenter. To here write carpenter. Then bolster. To here write this one. Then windows curtain. To here where windows curtain. To here. And then bedsheet. To here bedsheet. Now question number 7 what say? Write the name of some of the planet and tree you have seen. So we know which one see. We see Asoka, Agathia, Banyan and Pipal. So this all name right. And here give. So here write mangoes, berry tree, cassia festival name and others you see. So this one you write here names. Now question number 8 what say? Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. So first one what say? Can you name the planet on which Didi was sitting? So yes, I can say that Didi must be sitting on the grass. Now 2. Which tree have you seen whose trunk is very thin? So out of the trees I have seen, the banyan has a very thin trunk. Now question number 3. Write the names of leaves which you have seen. to neem leaf, people leaf, banyan leaf, basil leaves, mango leaves, etc. Question number 4. Which things can one see in the garden? Trees, flowers. Which one we see in the garden? Trees, flowers, capels, benches, small plants, grass, plots, looks, water taps, etc. all. Question number 5. Who went to garden with Didi? Two who? Amu, Sabnam, Michaels and Dariam went go to the garden with Didi. Now 6. Which game did the children play after hide and seek and antaksari? The children played the game of plant fairy after playing hide and seek and antaksari. Question number 7. Which bus did Michael touch in the garden? So Michael touched in the Mandy bus in the garden. 8. Whose leaf is very big? The banana leaf is very big. Then question number 9. Name the parts of the planet. The name of the parts of planet is 1. Root, shoot, leaves, flowers and fruits. Now question number 10. Write the names of main type of planet. So how many types of planet? The name of the main type of planets are trees, buses, shrubs and the creepers. 11. In which aspect and planets difference? The planets are different in their shapes, height, size, leaves, fruit and flowers. Question number 12. What are roots? What is the meaning of root? The part of a plant that grows underground is known as is root. Now question number 13 what say? What is a trunk of planet? The part of a planet that grows above the ground is known as its trunk. Question number 14. What is seen on branches of trees? The smaller branches, leaves, flowers and fruits are seen on branches of trees. Question number 15. In how many ways are leaves different from each other? So leaves are different from each other in their shapes, size, edge and outlook. Now 16. Why are leaves known as the kitchen of planets? In the presence of sunlight, leaves prepare the nutrients necessary to the plants, so they are known as the kitchen of planets. Now 17 what say? What is a tree? So planets that are large in size and tall and whose trunk are thick and strong are known as trees. 18. What is a bus? The planets that are less tall and have green soft trunk are known as buses. Now question number 19. Which animals lives on trees? The animals like parrot, minus, grouse, owl, kites, monkeys, squirrels, cameleon, etc. live on trees. Now 9. Answer the following question in brief. The first, how are leaves on various trees different from each other? To answer what right, leaves of various trees are different from each other in their shapes, size, edge and outlook. Some leaves are round, long or triangular and many plants have small or big leaves. Even color of leaves are different. Some are light green and some are dark green. Some are even yellow, red and purple. Now question number 2. State the use of plants' leaves. The use of plants' leaves are as follow. A as medicine, 2 for decoration, 3 as food from animals, 4 for giving shade, 5 during prayers on auspicious occasion, 6 when leaves dry up they are useful as fertilizer. Now question number 10. What say? Classify the following planets into trees, buses and creepers. So here this type many names give trees, buses and creepers. So which one they are right. So here trees which one? People. So trees. Termine that mean trees. Rose where come? Buses. Mogra where come? Buses. Bitter where come? So creepers here. Bitters come. Then berries where come? To trees. Then Muskmelon where come? To creepers. Then bougainvillea where come? To here, creepers. Then Asoka where come? To trees. Then mango to also trees. Then basil where come? To buses. Then periwinkles where come? To here buses. Sweet peas where come? To here creepers. Then papaya where come? To here trees. Then banyan where come? Here trees. Marigold where come? Here buses. Then battleground where come? To here creepers. Then grapes where come? Also creepers. Then EV ground, titin ground, this one where come? Also creepers. Then gram where come? Buses. Then coconut man, this one trees, here right, coconut man. Then neem to neem also trees. And gulmohar to gulmohar also trees. So today the chapter number 2 textbook and workbook completed. This workbook you write clear handwriting and using pencil. Okay.